Hi everyone, this is Hasif with you. As you guys are well aware, UAE Federal Tax Authority has completely redesigned its e-services portal and now it's given a name as Emarat Tax, shortly called as Emaratax. Luckily, the URL is same to access this system, but the design and overall UI is completely changed. Even the process of payments is completely changed. And I am daily getting queries from my clients how to pay, how to settle their liabilities. So I thought I should make a video for this. So before starting this video, I assume that you know how to reset your password and you have access to your account in this Emaratax portal. In this video, we will discuss how to pay your VAT liabilities or penalties in Emaratax portal. This system is completely changed as compared to the old system. Previously, you were just transferring amount against your GIBAN number which was being settled against your liabilities or penalties based on your preferred allocation method. There were three allocation methods available: clear oldest liability first, clear VAT liability first, and clear penalty amount first. So whichever preference you have already chosen, it was being settled accordingly. But now this process is completely changed. Now you have to create an invoice in this Emaratax portal. That invoice will be having a 6-digit reference number. So whenever you are transferring from your bank, you have to use your GIBAN number for transferring. You have to transfer exact amount as per that invoice and you have to mention those 6-digit reference numbers there. If there is mismatch in reference number or amount, your amount will not be credited to your FTA account, and same is being communicated from your banks also. So let's see how we will pay our VAT liabilities or penalties in this Emaratax portal. First of all, log into your system. So when you are logged in, you will see the companies you have with your username. In my case, I have only one company. Click on that company name. In left sidebar menu, click My Payments. So at the top of this page, you have these three instructions here. Ensure that you pre-select your required liabilities. Quote the generated reference number while making your GIBAN payments. Pay the exact amount for that reference number. FTA cannot guarantee accurate allocation of your payment if the correct reference number is not quoted while making GIBAN payment. So as we discussed earlier, these are the three requirements that you need to meet while making payments. So here you will see your outstanding liability including penalties and VAT return liabilities. You have two options: select and pay if you want to pay individual amounts. If you want to pay all, click pay all. I will go for select and pay. So here you will see your total tax liability that you have to pay separately and the penalties total separately, and then this table contains details about these totals. You can customize these columns. So currently all columns are showing here. So currently in my case there are VAT liabilities due also and penalties due also. So you can see here liability type. If it is LPP, that is late payment penalty. If there is no LPP, it's showing simply VAT return. This means that is your VAT liability payable. So you have to select which of your liability you want to pay. Let's say I don't want to pay this one and I also don't want to pay my penalties. I just want to pay my VAT liability. And in this particular cell, in this column amount to be paid, you have to mention how much amount you are going to pay. In my case, it's 48,494.90 and I am going to pay, let's say, 40,000 only. You cannot change values in this cell because this is sum of multiple penalties. If you want to pay these penalties and you want to choose particular one, you have to click on this down arrow and expand the details and then select which one you want to pay. You have to tick from here and enter the amount here, then total will show up in your total VAT payable invoice that you are going to generate. So let's say we are going to pay only 40,000 as of now for our VAT liability, not for penalties. So total payment amount AED 40,000. Then click proceed to payment. You have two payment methods. You can pay by your debit or credit card via Magnati Pay, or you can transfer to your GIBAN number against this invoice. In our case, I will pay by GIBAN number. Confirm allocation. So this is the final detail of all this process that we have done. Now you have to transfer from your bank against this GIBAN number. You have to mention this 6-digit reference number while making transfer, and you have to transfer exact 40,000, or in case whatever invoice value you have generated, you have to transfer exact amount. Then it will be settled against that particular VAT liability or penalty against which you have generated an invoice. So the current status of this invoice is pending payment. Once the payment is settled against this, the status will change to paid. So these are other instructions you can read before making payment, and you can download also for your records. So this was the overall process for paying your VAT liabilities or penalties in Emaratax. If you are having any confusion, you can leave comments and I will respond there.